Hello, hi, good evening. Today I'm going to show you how a multi-planar rebar will work in Revit. Okay. For an example, I'm going for an isolated foundation. So I have placed the foundation and I'm going to take a section. So this is my section. Let me open a 3D view. So this is my 3D view in wireframe. And let's go for a tile view so that you will understand better. So I need a 3D view and a section. I can close this plan. Okay, so this is my section and this is my 3D. All right. Now I'm selecting the member and object. I'm selecting the foundation. I'm going to rebar. So whatever you get in a pop-up, you just read. Rebar shape definition will not include hooks or end treatment. These options can be changed under reinforcement settings and should be set before adding any rebar elements to the project. So how do I set? Let's say okay. And then you can see here in the instance properties, you can see hook at start, treatment, end treatment, hook at end, hook rotation. So we have all the settings here. Okay. Now I'm going to show you how a multi-planar rebar works in Revit. So in case if you choose pose to expand or any these three options, multi-planar will not be there. Okay, for example, if I change this to the second option, third option, and you can see multi-planar is not there. You have to go to a sketch mode. You have to go to a sketch mode and you should be in a section. So let's go to a sketch mode and I have to choose the member. So once I select the member and you can see multi-planar is available. If I choose multi-planar, then it will show the change. Okay, so for now, this is our plane and this is my section. I'm going to show you how this works. In case if I draw any single line, okay, if I draw a single line and if I enable multi-planar, it won't work. I need more than one segment of line. If I click here and you can see this is how it is. And once I finish and you can see I'm getting a warning message. What Revit says, this shape can be done in a shape definition. So please change the multi-planar definition to a top plan only. Okay. So to do this, you need at least two line. If I finish again, you can see again it's coming. Okay. So now if I uncheck this, then the multi-planar is gone. Now I can finish. This is just a single line. So if I want to edit, I can select and I can edit again. Edit sketch. So this is my plane and this is my rebar line. I have to draw more than one line. That is the case. Okay. So we need at least two line. Once I draw the second line and if I choose multi-planar now and you can see I get the same shape in another plane. Okay. And I can only play with one plane only. It's not multi-directional rebar. It is multi-planar rebar. Okay. So I can take any one end to connect between these two. I can draw any shape, but the same shape will be applied to the next one. In case if I don't want any segment, then I can remove that segment. You can see here. So this is extending till here, but I, I can uncheck the duplicated segment. You can see, if I check, you can see how this is changing. We have only 3 tick marks. Okay, I can connect from the top or from the bottom. I can connect from the top end or at the bottom end. I can just connect these two segments. I can enable this segment or I can disable the segment. That's all I have. Okay. In case if you want to extend this shape from end to end, so you can do that later. Once you finish, you can see this is automatically extended to the face of the member, right? In case if you want to adjust them in a plan, then you can adjust. So this is going from the bottom to the top. In case if you want to adjust the size, you can adjust. You can use the uh, handle, or you can also go with the edit constraints tool, and you can enter the value. You can just enter the value and you can finish. So this is what a multi-planar will do. Okay, I'm telling you again, you have to draw any one plane, you have to draw more than one line, and you can enable multi-planar, and in the 3D you will get a 3 tick mark. You can just play with this tick mark. So this is called a duplicated segment. In case if you don't want the duplicated segment, you can uncheck and then you can finish. In case if you need hook at the end, you can enable hook. For example, 90-degree hook. And in case if you want to rotate the hook 90-degree, you can rotate. Let's go for minus 90, 270. Okay, so this is what you can do. So if you want it in the other end, you can do that. 90-degree. Let's rotate the hook. So I should go for minus 90 here also. Okay, so this is the hook. In case if you want to override the hook length, you can check and then you can override hook length. So E, if you change this to 300, you can change. Okay, I hope now you understand how this works. In case if you have any doubt, please let me know. Thank you. Bye bye. Multi-planar rebar in Revit.